In this video, we're going to show you an easy 5-minute hip and knee mobility routine, especially great for people over 50. And it is especially good for you if you want to be more comfortable while gardening. So the first minute of your 5-minute mobility routine, you're going to spend doing what we call Asian squat or deep crouch. Okay, so Gavin is going to demonstrate. I'm going to talk him through it. Okay, so you can hold on to a chair or like a solid chair or solid piece of furniture in front of you if you need support. Otherwise, you can just do it on just standing up by yourself. Okay, so what you're going to do, if you just bring your feet slightly forward, Gavin. Okay, now what you're going to do simply is by keeping your back straight, you're going to bend your knees, bend your hips. Okay, and you're going to crouch down as far as you can. Try and get your hips as close to your heels as you possibly can. All right, so look, for some of you, if you have stiff knees, you may not be able to crouch down all the way. That's absolutely fine. Okay, so go down as far as your knees or hips allow you to. Okay, so once you get to the point where you can't go any further, hold it there for about 10 seconds. So Gavin is going to sort of spend about 10 seconds there, just trying to relax. Just let your hips sink down. Maybe let the body, the weight of your body take you down a little bit further. Then come back up again, okay? So for balance, you can use the chair in front of you to lean on. Also, if it makes you a little bit uncomfortable, you can actually redistribute a little bit of weight onto the chair in front of you to ease the pressure on your knees.
So if you want a little hack to make this a little bit easier, a lot of times it's the ankle mobility that prevents you from squatting down, right? So you can use a couple of, I don't know, some little discs or a book or whatever you want to do, and pop that under your heels this way and put your heels on it. And it just makes the dropping down way, way more easier. And I can sit there without actually holding on, way more comfortable. And just by lifting the heels up, takes away a lot of the inflexibility in the ankles, and you can come down and sit. This is a bit more comfortable. Okay, you can try that. So if you find the first version too hard, prop your heels up and that will give you an easy solution.
Okay, and the second minute of your 5-minute routine, you're going to spend doing hamstring stretches. So there's different ways you can stretch your hamstrings, and you can try different ways, but this is one of my favorites. Okay, so Gavin is going to demonstrate. So he's going to keep one foot right in front, the other foot behind him. Okay, he's going to raise his toes off the floor. You can keep your rear knee a little bit bent. Okay, and now he's going to keep his hips square, so hips are facing forward. Okay, and he's going to pivot through the hips and lean forward. Okay, keeping the back reasonably straight. Okay, so ideally you should feel a bit of a pull in the back of the front leg or the front thigh. Okay, so you're going to lean down as far as you can, hold it for about 15 to 20 seconds, okay, and do it twice. Have about the 15-second break in between.
So guys, if you're liking the video and you're looking for a free strength guide that's going to help you build your knee strength, we put together a really good guide where we break up some strength exercises and some physio exercises. You can download that absolutely free and follow along at your own pace. So all you need to do is comment knees down below and we'll send that over to you absolutely free.
Next exercise is going to be lunges with a foot on the chair. Okay, so you can use any chair, preferably something quite solid and sturdy. You're going to put one of your feet flat up on the chair. Okay, you can hold on to the back of the chair for support. Okay, if your balance is a little bit weak. Okay, so all you're going to do is by keeping your heel down, so you're keeping this heel down on the chair, you're going to lean forward, you're going to lunge forward, and you're going to bend the hip, bend the knee, and bend the ankle. So this exercise, it actually helps to stretch and give you more mobility in these three joints. So hips, knees, and ankles. Okay, so you're going to lean forward, again, hold it for about 10 seconds. So you're trying to kind of push your body weight forward as far as you possibly can. Hold it for 10 seconds and then release. Okay, so nice and strong, so forward and then lean back, take the pressure off, and then do it again. So you should be able to do about 4 of these repetitions in 1 minute. And then swap and do the other leg. Exercise number 4 is we're going to do what we call soccer kicks. Okay, so again, for balance, you can hold on to a piece of furniture or maybe just wall. Okay, so all you're going to do is you're going to stand on one leg, Gavin. So choose your maybe left leg, and you're going to do like a little bit of a soccer kick with your right. Now, some of you, if you have bad knees, you may not be able to fully straighten the leg as you bring your foot forward, okay? So if it hurts you to fully straighten the leg, don't fully straighten it, okay? Just stop before it starts hurting, all right? And as you bring your leg back, you want to bend the knee as much as you can, all right? So you straighten it and then straighten on the way forward and bend it as far as you can on the way back. So you do 30 seconds one leg, then 30 seconds on the other leg. Okay, and the last minute of the 5-minute mobility routine, you're going to spend doing what we call a butterfly stretch, okay? So it primarily helps to stretch the groin muscle on the inside of your thigh. It also helps the mobility of your hip joint, okay? So Gavin is going to sit on the floor, knees out to the side, feet together. Now, what he's going to do, he's going to lean forward and drive his elbows, okay, into the knee area or just above the knee into the thighs, okay? He's going to lean forward and push the knees, push both knees down to as close to the floor as you can do it, okay? Now, if you have a bit of a sore back, you can lean against the wall. So at the back here, you can sort of prop yourself up against the wall so that the wall actually supports your back. And it actually makes it easier for you to sort of drive yourself forward as well, okay? So hold it for about 20 seconds, have a short break, and then do another 20 seconds.
I'll jump in with a little modification. So if you find this one a bit too hard to get into, maybe your knees are sore, whatever, what you can do is you just pop one up on the side and just push down that way. Is that fair enough? Yeah. It's just easier. I sometimes find it hard to sit like that, but you can bring one leg across and just gently push on that one side. So you got a bit more balance and a bit more support there.
So it's like a figure of four, isn't it?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, pushing that way. Yeah, good. Okay, team, if you like the video, please let us know in the comments. Let us know, again, what issues you're facing. We can use some of those questions for future videos. And if you would like a copy of that guide, comment needs, and we'll send it over to you absolutely free. So we're going to leave a video in the top corner, which we think you will like. So head over there, and we'll see you soon.